In the quiet fields of County Durham, nestled between the villages of Heighington and Aycliffe, stands a modest building that changed the world. This is Heighington Station, humble in appearance, yet monumental in legacy. Opened in 1827, Heighington Station was part of the pioneering Stockton and Darlington Railway, the first public railway to use steam locomotives. It was here that George Stephenson's Locomotion No. 1 was assembled and placed on the tracks, ready to embark on its inaugural journey. Originally constructed as a public house in 1826–27 to serve a nearby coal depot, the building evolved into a fully functioning station by the 1830s. Its dual role as a pub and station made it a lively gathering place, a crossroads of industry and community. One charming story tells of Robert Metcalfe, a local worker who once used a magnifying glass to light the firebox of Locomotion No. 1 when no other flame could be found. Moments like these remind us that even the grandest revolutions are shaped by ordinary hands. Today, the station stands quiet and weather-worn. The pub closed its doors in 2017, and the building has since fallen into disrepair. Historic England now lists it as at risk, a fragile piece of railway history that needs care before it's too late. But there is hope. The Friends of the Stockton and Darlington Railway are working tirelessly to restore Heighington in time for the 200th anniversary of the railway in 2025. Their dream is to reopen it as a Georgian-style pub and heritage centre, a living monument to the dawn of the railway age. Heighington Station is more than bricks and mortar. It's the birthplace of a global revolution. By preserving it, we preserve the spirit of innovation, resilience, and connection that shaped our modern world. If you've enjoyed this journey through history, please like this video, share it with fellow railway lovers, and subscribe for more stories of forgotten stations and lost places. Every click helps keep the past alive and brings us one step closer to restoring treasures like Heighington Station.